Metonymy. Definition. Metonymy is a figure of speech where the name of an object or idea is replaced with a closely related word that is representative of the object or idea. While connected in some way, the replacement word is not literally part of the represented object or idea. It shares a close association. An example is, "The pen is mightier than the sword." The word pen replaces the phrase written word. While a pen is not a characteristic of the written word, it is closely associated with it. By using metonyms, authors can use more creative word choices by highlighting the association of ideas, develop complexity to their word by adding more meaning, use shorter phrases to represent big ideas, making their writing more concise. Synecdoche is a literary device where a part of something represents the whole thing. While the part and whole of synecdoche have a literal connection, metonymy does not. Instead, it is closely associated with what it references. Tickling the ivories identifies a literal characteristic of a piano, as keys were originally ivory. Tunes gives the effect of playing the piano. Common examples of metonymy in everyday speech include Hollywood, meaning the film industry; new blood, meaning new people; ride, meaning a car.